Guys, welcome to today's video. I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful digital currency landing page using Adobe XD. Please watch to the end because you are going to learn quite some few tricks in this video. Let's dive right in as soon as possible. Alright, I'll be using Adobe XD and I will be using the 1920 by 1080 dimension. Then put this on full screen, and at the same time I would like to bring the design that we will imitate into Adobe XD. Just put it side by side here so that we can be looking at it as we work on the main design. Alright, if you look at the top part of the design, we have an icon and what's it called, let's say the header section actually. So let me quickly make the icon. I think I'll see it better here. See, it's like 3 glass moving circles. Honestly, you can quickly create that. Let's create the background first. Let's quickly make the background. The background is a little tricky as well because we have something like let's call it a moon, something like gradient, stuff like that. It's a mixture of gradient and some light circles. So let's quickly make. First, we are going to do the background. I think the main color of the background is black. Maybe not completely black. We can quickly copy it here. Yeah, that's the main color of the background. Then it has like a lightning. Let me make that. It's an ellipse. Will I say ellipse? Yeah, a circle. Then that has some object block. But before I apply the object blockness, let me change the color of the circle from white to, let's say, something of that nature. And then we go into object block. Yes, then we increase the blockness, shift, and then I'll make a duplicate of this, and at the same time let me just make quite some duplicates so that you see how I'm going to use it. I'll reduce the opacity, then reduce the opacity here and there. Yes, some will be bigger, some will be bigger, and some will be very small with different opacity. I believe, yeah, I think that's enough. Let me reduce the opacity of this guy a little bit. Yeah, I think that's enough. And this one, I think the color is quite different somehow. That's a different color compared to the others. Yeah, I believe that's it, guys. Just some circles that have an object blockness applied to it. Then I'm going to group it. Let's see. Let me. Oops. So the same thing they did here, but the colors are different. Let me quickly do that as well. And then this one has something like circles. uh, let's quickly make that as well. So what I'm going to do is the same thing. I'm going to create a circle, and then I think this guy here is not, it's not that big. Yeah, and this one is very big. um, um, the trick is just that the colors are different. I have like two to like 2 to 3 colors around there. So let me pick the first one, and let's just give it some blurriness, then we play along from there. Sorry, object blur. Yeah, increase the blurriness to the fullest. You can see, increase it to the fullest, and reduce the opacity to some extent, or just make it smaller. You see that? Make it smaller, and then you this is what you do. Just duplicate, alt to duplicate, 2 of the size, take it below, and then reduce the opacity. That's just the idea, guys. That's just the idea. And what I'll do is this one here, I'm going to make it bigger, more bigger, and then this one I'm going to then both of them, I'm going to reduce their opacity. Maybe I'll just take both of them inwards. Then from there I'll make another duplicate, maybe of this bigger guy here, and I'll change the color to somewhere green like that. Then I'll make another guy, or to duplicate. Then no, not this guy, another type of this to duplicate. I want it to be at the top, and I want the opacity to be more, and the size as well to be more. Get the idea, guys. Now we are getting closer, I think. So the next, I think we have another circle, or to duplicate again. I'll change the color of this guy as well, maybe to something like this. Then bring it inwards a little bit. You can just play around with that, or to make another duplicate to have around there. You see, we are just it's not the perfect thing, but at least you get the idea. Let me make a group out of these guys. Ellipse 2, and you can just reduce the size. I'm holding down the shift key to have a perfect size. Just put them here. I can as well go in to brighten them up if I need that, just to brighten them up. Yeah, you get it. I'm going there to adjust their position. I can just go in and continue to play around, so to speak. So you get the idea. So that's just it. Because this is the main part of the background or of the home page. The rest are just group of text and icons. So if you can do this, I believe you should be able to finish the whole page. The last thing I would like to do before I move on to the next thing is by creating these circles. Those as well are simple. Just some circles. In fact, you can just, yeah, something like this. Then you rotate it to some extent, and then increase the height, maybe the width if you want to, something like this. And doesn't have a fill color, that's a white border color. Just it's very simple, guys. Some little tricks. Everything you are seeing on this page are just a couple of smaller tricks that are combined together to form a bigger trick. So I'll make a duplicate of this one too by holding down the Alt key. Yes, I'll use the shift to adjust the size, maybe a little bit more, and then just put it inside. Do you see that? It is as simple as that. Just a couple of tricks, little tricks that are bring together. And the style that you see around is very simple as well. Just some strokes. I'm using the line to just hold down the shift key to have a perfect line. Then change the color to white. Yeah, then we can zoom in. Zoom in, make a duplicate of that line. Or to duplicate. Then scroll up here to change the angle to 90 degrees. Now you make it center. There you have it, guys. You can just group them. This guy, but use the shift key to reduce the size as you like. Then you place them around. I'll use the Alt key to drag around. Now I'm having a star around. No, Ctrl Z. I think I should just group these guys. So I can just use the Alt key, or I should just drag this guy in. And then use the Alt key to drag them here as well. Now you have it. There you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. So in the next video we are going to continue this series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.